Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right into the midday market action because things are getting pretty wild out there. We're seeing some massive swings in several stocks, so if you've been watching your portfolio, you know exactly what I'm talking about. First up, let's talk about MP Materials, ticker symbol MP. This stock is on a serious roller coaster today. It looks like the buzz around the rare earth materials sector is really giving it a boost. Whether it's broader market sentiment or some specific company news, MP is definitely a name to watch as the day progresses. The materials sector can be volatile, and today is a prime example of that. Next on our radar is Protagonist Therapeutics, ticker PTGX. The biotech space is always full of surprises, and Protagonist is no exception. We're seeing some significant movement here, which usually points to news about clinical trials, a new partnership, or maybe an update from regulators. For any biotech investor, days like today are a reminder of just how quickly things can change based on scientific developments. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and PTGX is playing it hard right now. Now, let's look at another mover, ticker BAB. This one is a bit more of a mystery, as it could refer to a few different things, but it's lighting up the scanners with unusual activity. We're digging into it to see what's driving the volatility. Is it a specific fund making a big move, or a lesser-known company with a major announcement? Stay tuned, as the story behind this one is still unfolding, but the action doesn't stop there. We are also seeing major intraday swings from household names and tech players. Pfizer is on the move, likely still reacting to broader health sector news and its recent performance. Then you have Semtech, Spotify, and Upath, all experiencing significant volatility. This is probably tied to recent earnings reports, analyst upgrades or downgrades, or just the market digesting their future growth prospects. It's a classic example of how company-specific news can cause ripples across the market. And we can't forget about the AI space. CoreWeave, though not publicly traded in the traditional sense, is a name that keeps popping up in conversations, and its influence is being felt across the semiconductor and data center sectors. The appetite for anything related to artificial intelligence is huge, and it's creating a lot of momentum for related companies. So, what does this all mean? It's a trader's market out there today. The volatility we're seeing presents both opportunities and risks. It's a great reminder to stay informed, do your research, and manage your risk carefully. The market is dynamic, and today is a perfect snapshot of that energy. That's a quick look at the midday movers. What stocks are you watching today? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next market breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.